Don Bosco Media Network is thrilled to present the Step Battle Dancing Competition, and it's your chance to shine. The competition will run from the first week of September through October 2024 at Don Bosco Youth Centre, Shillong. This competition is open to all age groups who are citizens of Meghalaya. The winner of this competition will receive a cash prize of 45,000. The second place contestant will get 20,000 and the third place finisher will be awarded 10,000 rupees. Pick up your registration forms at dbmnTv studio or the DBYC reception office. For more details, contact us at 811-901-1043 or visit us on Instagram at DB Media Network Shillong. Show off your moves in any dance style you love. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to showcase your talent and win amazing prizes. Grab your form, hit the dance floor, and let's make some unforgettable memories.